Welcome to Little Star Music.
Hello everyone, it's time to start the most fabulous, feathery and fun event of the year, the Parrot Party Parade. Grab your dancing shoes and let's march to the music. Follow me friends, let's get this parade started. March to the beat, feel the groove, clap your hands and make a move. It's the Parrot Party Parade. Let's dance in the jungle shade. Shake your feathers, tap your toes, swing your feet and strike a pose. It's the Parrot Party Parade, the best celebration ever made. Toucans strumming, elephants stomp, monkeys dancing, jump, jump, jump. The jungle's alive, hear the sound, music and laughter all around. Wiggle, jiggle, twirl and spin, the parrot party's about to begin. It's the Parrot Party Parade, join the fun, don't be afraid. Flap your wings, fly up high, stomp like an elephant, reach for the sky. Swing your arms just like a monkey, hop like a frog, it's so funky. Everyone dance, let's celebrate. The jungle's the perfect party place. It's the Parrot Party Parade. Let's keep dancing, never fade. Flap your wings, fly up high, let's all cheer, what a crowd. The Parrot Party Parade, memories and magic we've made. Sing and dance, clap along, together we're happy, together we're strong. It's the Parrot Party Parade, the best jungle party ever made.